Welcome home. Wow, you look like you just went for a swim in your clothes. You're soaked. She looks like she just went for a swim in her clothes. She's soaked. She's soaked. Yeah, no kidding. There's a big water fight going on out there. I'm not kidding. It's a big water fight going on out there. Didn't you know it was going to be a water fight today? Didn't she know it was going to be a water fight, a water festival today? Yeah, I was aware that there was going to be Songkran celebration, but I didn't think it would be anything more than just a light sprinkle. I honestly didn't think it would be anything more than just a light sprinkle. Well, you better hurry up and get out of these clothes, and you are dripping water all over the floor. You also need a hot shower so you don't get sick. She's dripping water all over the floor. She should go get a hot shower so she doesn't get sick. And sorry about the water on the floor. I'm sorry about the water on the floor. I am going for a hot shower. I'm going for a hot shower real quick before I catch a cold, before I get a cold. Happy Songkran. Bye.